Hello.
Hello.
So Alex will be back in like 10 minutes. So uh, it's recording, so she'll go through it. So Ashwin and Sanjay, as I told you earlier, like so what the design is done, right? So you do you have any doubts regarding the design?
Yeah, can you just show it? Like,
So the design.
yeah. Sanjay, can you hear us?
So like uh have you seen the link on YouTube, the designs link?
Yeah, I've seen that.
No, she's asking to turn on your video now. Can you just turn on your video? Hello?
Yeah.
Hello,
Hello.
Sanjay, can you turn on your video?
bro. 1 second. I'm using my
Yeah.
PC.
Okay.
Just give me a minute. I'll open in my phone.
Okay. Yeah.
1 second. I'll end this meeting and come back.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. So Ashwin, so if you did not get the link, I just posted it on the chat, so you can just take a look at it.
Yeah, bro.
So the design of the PC version and the mobile is put over there. So this is what the design is going to be. And if you have any doubts regarding the website, you can ask now.
So what is remaining as of now?
See, dude, Joes has made the hero section that you can see the purple thing. And
Okay.
then uh and then the bloom, I can give you the lottie. The test lottie is done, but once when you guys start with that part of the thing, I'll be giving you the lottie file, so you can put it over there. But
Okay.
other than that, just the texts are done, not like the design. Can you see like the dots and all behind?
Yeah.
So that is actually not done.
Okay.
And the PC thing, he just made it. You were there, right, when he made the PC?
Yeah, you just implemented it, right?
Yeah, he did not make the scroll part. Like when your mouse just moves around, it should like just look at the mouse, something like that. You remember we did for the crane part?
So when the mouse moves, it should look at the mouse.
Shon, well, first off, guys, hi, how are you guys doing?
Alex.
Ashwin, you already know hi. Sanjay, it's nice to
Yeah.
meet you, by the way. I just like to I like to see faces. I talk really fast, by the way, but I like to see faces. Like when I'm talking to somebody, it just helps me understand, I guess, someone better. So if you guys can, if possible, if you guys can show your face, it would be really appreciated. I'm really tired, by the way. Like it's like 4 o'clock. It's been raining nonstop here. But so yeah, if you guys have a webcam or something, that's cool. It's just I don't understand who's talking sometimes too. It just confuses me. But I feel like people understand better if they like can talk face to face, you know? Perfect. There's a beautiful face that I've been looking for. There it is. Cool. And then Sanjay, by the way, what's your experience? Like, I don't care if you guys if you're new and stuff. I know a little bit about Ashwin, but like what's your like experience and like with like
Yeah,
React?
actually,
If you don't have any,
yeah,
that's
I have
cool.
been,
Like I can't hear you. Go
yeah,
ahead.
no, I'm actually, can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I have some basic experience in React. I have done, like, I have used it actually.
Okay.
So I am familiar with React.
No, that's cool. That's fine. Ashwin, did you tell him your stuff you did? He did stuff brand. He did the whole ghost world. He learned that was really impressive actually. So I'm all about it. So that's cool. If you guys want to knock it out, cool with me. Let's see. So I think the best thing to do, Shon, do you have I think we can like share the screen. Maybe did you guys see the video that I posted of maybe the desktop
No,
version?
I'm not able to share the
Okay.
screen.
Oh yeah, here, I can give you permissions right now. Do you know the desktop, the video that I made? I haven't
Yeah,
Yep,
let's.
I've sent them.
Yeah,
I've
I had
sent
a
them.
look at it.
Okay, cool. So what did I hit again? What did I hit again? Share screen, maybe? Is that it? I forgot how to use Zoom. It's been a minute. This is crazy. Oh, here we go. Okay, go ahead. All right.
So like yeah, let me explain like what is done and what is not done. For now, the background, it is actually done in React. The background, when you move your mouse, the lottie is gonna tilt around. So that part is done over here. And here, just the text. Jose has just put the text, but it is not proper. Like the text size is not proper. It's not aligning to the right places. And you can see these dots. These dots
Okay.
and are not there. So that
Mm.
has to be done.
It's been coded
And
though, right?
this,
Hasn't it? Has it been coded on GitHub
yeah,
yet?
dude, it's been coded, but once me and Tarun like was in a call, but these texts were not matching over there.
Yeah. Well, I got confused though, because didn't I try to give someone the link to GitHub or something, and like it was the wrong? Do I have the
No,
right information to log in?
actually, Joe's told me everything is there on the GitHub, but I'm not sure.
Okay, so that would probably be good if you guys can look at the code too. So I'll give you guys the folder should have the login to the GitHub, by the way. So sorry to interrupt you, Sean. Okay, I'll be right there. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Continue, Sean. Go ahead and keep explaining or whatever. I'll be right back, guys. Okay. Yeah.
So yeah, so Ashwin, see the text over here, right? It's not matching with what the design it is given. So Joe's coded out the text, but it's not matching. And even you can see here, there's a circle or something. No, what is this? The line and there's a circle over here in the
Circle.
design.
Okay.
Even that
Yeah.
is not good. So
Yeah,
the
about
thing,
this animation. So for
yeah.
each scroll, will it be shifting the position like from
See what I
the left
think is
side
like,
to right
see,
side?
yeah, that is the thing. The animation is gonna keep playing over here. Or if you have any doubt regarding this, you should ask Tarun. So the animation is gonna be playing here. When you scroll a bit, it will move to this position. It will keep
Okay.
moving. When you keep scrolling, that's gonna come along. That's gonna come. Or you can also implement snap scrolling if that is easy for you, whatever that works. But you should ask Tarun about what should be done here. He will tell you like what to do. So the main problem like we have for now is this one animation implementation and the bloom, right?
Yeah.
This is all we have for now. And rest all everything is coded, but it's not in proper. Like the text is not proper. The size of the text, even that is not proper. And even some placements are like a bit odd. This is and for the mobile section, I think this one, the front page is coded out.
Okay.
But this one, nothing is done. I think just the texts were done, but I think the texts are done. I'm not sure.
And the ball's
But
supposed to follow you. Isn't that what that white ball is?
yep, the ball is supposed to follow. You've seen that, no, Ashwin?
Yeah. So from my it goes down. So that way, right?
Yeah, it starts from here. It starts from Team Madam T, and this keeps on going around.
Okay.
There's an animation like I don't know where that video is, but
yeah,
there's
where
a
is
good
that?
animation.
Oh no,
Tarun
yeah,
did it.
there's one on the video, the YouTube channel. There's one on the playlist. It's on the play. Go to playlists and go to clips, and then
Clips, I can't.
yeah, go to
Is it this one? Okay, wait.
Yeah, go to work. Maybe that's it. Actually, you're not logged in. Okay, yeah, go log in. Oh yeah, guys. And as far as payment, I'm gonna pay you guys at 50%. Okay, so I just want to make sure. So you guys are new and stuff, and I trust you guys are gonna do fine and everything. But I'm just saying, once we hit like a 50% mark, I'll pay you guys, and I'll pay you guys the other half. And Ashwin, I paid Ashwin before. He knows I'm good for it too. So obviously, so just make sure it's really clean code. Like I'll get pissed off if like I look and the codes are really sloppy. That's like probably my biggest pet peeve. Other than that, it's not like a huge time crunch either. I know you guys are in school and stuff, you know. So
Yeah, Alex will take care about that.
yeah, I know.
So,
Dude, I don't
we'll
see
try
the
our
play.
best.
Yeah, it's not like a huge. It's not like a huge. We're not on like really a deadline. That doesn't mean like take forever, but like I understand you guys have studies and stuff. Okay,
Yeah.
go to the playlists and then what the fuck? Are you logged into the Mad Empty? That's why.
Oh my god, Madam T. No, I don't have. Okay, Madam T is here.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So log into the Mad Empty and
Oh,
then.
I don't have the credentials.
Oh, okay, that's fine. I'll find it. Anyways, I'll send it. I'll actually, you know what? I'll put that in the folder. Maybe you're like or
Okay.
something. Let me see if I can find it really quick. Let's see. I'll find it real quick. Sean, keep going if you want to explain. Did you have any questions? Do you guys have any questions, by the way? Like, you guys are taking notes, right? Like about this, because later I don't want you guys to ask the same questions again, because we're gonna, you know what I mean? You guys need to go over, like, just write down. I don't care if you guys do, but yeah, but try to get like in the good practice. Are you guys going to web development school, by the way, or like, are you guys gonna do this for like when you guys graduate college? And like, what are your guys' goals when you graduate college, by the way? Like, where you guys want to work and stuff?
So as of now, we are doing web development.
They're actually
might-
teaching. There is a
Yeah,
course
they are
for it.
teaching. Yeah, so we are doing it.
Actually, we are
Amazing.
in a club.
That's
We
great.
are in a club, and we are just mentoring the juniors. Actually,
That's amazing. You guys should that's good. That's good. So basically, obviously, if you guys do well on this, I would like you use you guys for future projects too. If you guys would be Sean and I just keep getting a lot of 3D work recently, which it's obviously so I guess I would consider, you know, that 3GS isn't really the standard anymore, right? Ashwin?
Yeah, it's React Fiber. Yeah, React Fiber.
How-
React 3 Fiber. Yeah.
How's that
React 3
going?
Fiber.
Yeah, exactly. How's that going, by the way, as far as like the transition? Have you decided to transition over? I mean, obviously keeping up with the standards is probably the best thing to do, right? Like I would think, as far as like keeping up with the standard of like, what's like, are you learning that, or or is this going to be like, what language are you
No.
having this in?
As of now, I was doing React, Alex, like the front end part.
Cool. Okay, so we're gonna need someone who can do this is a lot of animation. So what do you guys plan on using for the animation, for coding the animation? Like, how do you guys plan on approaching that and tackling that?
So yeah, so as George has implemented the model, so we will be having change in the cursor. Like if the model is here, we have to have the transition, right, George?
Yeah.
the animation
it
of
should-
the computer and the
Okay.
Yeah. As you scroll down, it should just keep moving.
yeah.
Okay,
it should
cool.
Keep moving.
So
And the
obviously,
rotating the blue.
and well, T's gonna know too. Did you tell him that Tyron? Do you know Tyron, Sanjay?
Tarun, yeah, you should know. Tarun.
Tarun. Tarun, yeah.
Yeah. We know that guy.
You can tell you any questions you have.
Okay, Alex, I have one
Yeah, go ahead. Do your
question.
thing. Yeah, ask
See,
away.
here the animation I didn't really get it. Like there is a PC over here and a laptop over here, right? Is the animation gonna keep playing,
Oh,
or
okay.
should it transition from a PC to a laptop, and once it reaches here to a mobile or something like that, or is it like
Yeah.
keep gonna playing like what I showed?
Oh, like right there, like okay. So you mean like when it ends? I think what's gonna happen is I think T made this specific. So it's gonna obviously, as you scroll, it's gonna transition.
So as we scroll down, it's slowly gonna transition, right?
Yeah, as
Smoothly.
we scroll, it's gonna transition. I know it sounds complicated. Actually, Sean has a good example to kind of show you what he means. But
No, no. We have an animation that keeps on looping itself. We don't
oh
have
yeah.
animation.
Where's that at? Where's that one at? Is it in the assets maybe, or like do we have that on?
I think it's here. I think
No,
it's
it's
here
not. I don't
somewhere.
think it's on there.
It's here. It's here.
Okay, yeah, that one. There's that one, but
See, we have a one which keeps on looping itself, but
yeah.
I don't think we have a one which is like it starts here, it goes over there or something. But
It's gonna be
this.
challenging. Wait, no, Sean, continue. Sorry. Continue.
So, do you have any plans for this, Ashwin?
Well, let me say something real quick. So what I think is gonna happen is it's gonna transition from the old school laptop, scroll Sean for me, to the iMac. and then it's going to go down to the laptop. Now here, it's going to stay the same, but the screen's going to obviously probably animate or do something small, right, Sean?
No, there's no
No,
animation.
the screen right there, that screen right there is going to have some sort of like movement within the screen. You know what I mean?
Like, you mean a video is playing?
Yeah, but like a
Inside
very
the screen.
minimal. I'll show you an example. Go to what's that? What was that? Oh yeah, it's called Uncapped. Is it what was that? What was that fucking website, Sean? You remember it was called
A recap after use.
yeah, recap after use. Can you go there real quick for me, please? And then show
I
them.
don't think it's recap after use.
I'm gonna just
Yeah. It is recap after use. Yeah.
Good memory. Okay, so if you scroll down, you'll notice that the right here, see how it's ever so slightly kind of like
No, this is not moving.
got
No,
it?
this
Okay,
is-
where is it then? Is it that one? This one should be animating.
Yeah, this one is animating. Yeah.
See how this is kind of like ever like slightly like animating a little bit. That's how. And you go back to our design. It's going to be the same thing with our design. It's going to be, you're going to see those little thing kind of squiggle, which actually that's a Lodi, isn't it? Lodi.
No, dude. It's not a lot. It's just like what to say.
Can we make it squirt? Like, what can we make it do? Like make it like wiggle, or I don't know, dude. Like it's this weird. I don't know if I'm like, I don't know, dude. Like, what's it gonna do? Like, I don't know, like, what's it gonna do? It's gonna like just kind of like, is it gonna like actually go like this, or is it gonna like just kind of like chill, or I don't know what T was going with there, but it shouldn't just stay solid.
We'll confirm with T for that.
Yeah, we
have
will.
to go
Okay.
ask T. Yeah.
Okay,
We
so
have that doubt, and is it gonna loop? Is it gonna continuously loop? And when you scroll down, is it gonna move?
no, it's
or
only
is
when
it-
you scroll. When you scroll, Sean, remember it's because so it's
I
interactive.
don't think it'll be a loop now, because why will you come back again to the computer button?
Well, I mean, you
No,
might
because
scroll up
what
a
is-
little bit. Yeah, right, Sean? No, Sean, sorry, I didn't mean to keep cutting you off. Go ahead, continue. Sorry, I didn't.
No, see, what is done right now is this thing
It's
keeps on looping. Right?
Yeah, I know that. Yeah.
If you're gonna change it, like it should be when as you scroll. So that
Yeah.
should
Okay,
be the,
so I should have the movement on the scroll. Okay.
yeah, and the movement same as the Lottie. Mostly, I think that
Yeah, same.
same
yeah.
as the Lottie. Even the Lottie keeps on animating when you scroll.
So what about the dot?
Here, Sean did a beautiful job. Sorry, no, but can you guys please just look at this? Look how beautiful. This is so gorgeous. Have you guys seen what it does actually though, guys? What this thing does?
Yeah,
It's so cool. Sorry, Sean, you did a really good. How long did it take you to render that thing, by the way? Again?
But the render took 23 hours.
23 hours, man. That's
23
crazy.
hours, solid 23 hours.
Okay, sorry. Ask away. Ask question. Ask away. Go ahead, guys.
So yeah, Ashwin, like
You had a question.
just-
I interrupted them. Sorry. I didn't mean-
yeah. So what do you think, guys? Ashwin and Sanjay, what do you think?
Well, wait. Did we explain what's gonna happen with this? It's gonna. I don't even really. I forgot kind of what's gonna happen with this. Isn't it like as you? A lot of this is interactive. It's a really interactive website. So as you scroll, or when things are gonna happen, you know what I mean. So doesn't the bloom? Is the bloom though going to be like one? That's why it kind of gets tricky, because it's like some people scroll really slow, you know, like my mom, like she scrolls extremely slow with that little wheel thing. So is it gonna be like a little tiny scroll is gonna make the whole thing bloom out, or is it gonna kind of slowly build up as you tiny scroll? You know, that's what we have to like also consider. It's kind of,
Yeah.
I don't think it should be
that
complicated.
is actually a very
Yeah.
so I
very
think
good thing we have to
when you-
concentrate to.
But
Yeah.
yeah, I don't think we should overcomplicate it though, because I mean, it would be kind of cool though to see it grow like that though, you know, like, but at the same time, it just depends on a lot of things, because like I said, this is gonna be really challenging and you guys are still learning.
See,
No, go ahead, Sean, explain. Yeah, this is good. This is good.
see these guys, what they have done is like they have a real example of a webflow thing which they control over the mouse. See this?
Wow, that's so
See,
cool. Yeah, I love
when
it.
he's moving the mouse, this Lottie is playing around. Just a second. See this? He's moving the mouse and the Lottie is playing.
see.
Did you
Oh,
show
okay,
the old
okay,
website?
okay.
Remember the old website actually shows what the top of the website is going to look like animated, remember?
No, dude, I
Mhm.
don't have the old website.
You have to, okay, go to the
we'll
preset.
just
Go, no, go
no,
to the
I
home
don't
screen.
have.
No, I'll show you. Go to the home screen of Madam D's YouTube. It's public. Go to the home screen. Okay, and then go down. See where it says progress. It says progress May 28th. Okay, click on that. Watch the top of this. This is exactly what the site's gonna look like right here. Like when you're scroll, it's gonna look exactly like this. Except these up here are so ugly. It's not gonna the home, the portfolio, the services. That's not gonna be there. But see this? See how it does this? That's how it's gonna be. And the we're team Matt Empty. It's gonna look just like this too, design wise. He should have made it like that. I don't remember if he did. But see how see how the lines in the background are even kind of going with it. And then this on the side, this right here though, is actually going to, the bloom's actually, okay, so Shon, pause it real quick. So what's gonna happen with this is the top, I explained in a different video, the bloom's gonna go underneath there, and then this little black animation thing you're seeing is actually, I think it's at the bottom, isn't it, Shon? It's at like at the bottom of the screen. But anyways,
No,
it's
no, that
gonna
one is
animate.
yeah, that one
And
is
we
at
have
the
all the
bottom.
files for those. All those are already done. You know, all the files are actually in the folder. So it's called
Is the code in GitHub?
yeah.
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Joe's told it's in the GitHub, dude. You have to confirm it once.
Okay, do you guys have that folder I sent in the group chat? If you download that, there's a file in there that says readme. I didn't put readme, but I just put like things like was like passwords, and in that little file,
Password,
in that folder
Yeah,
you'll
Alex.
see the GitHub login. Do you if you guys logged in, can someone please try logging into that and seeing if the code's there? Because that's probably going to be the best place for us to start. The best place for us to start would be to see, we're going to take the GitHub code, we'll look at what we have on GitHub, and then we're going to compare that to make sure that everything that we're going to be doing, we have the loadies for it, which I think we do. We have the Bloom, we have the loadies for this. We have the, am I missing some? Oh, the transition one might be the only one we don't have, right, Shon? Or are they
Transition for what? No, that
Yeah.
is actually done.
Yeah,
That is a
transition.
3D model, right? That is done in like
No,
React
no,
3.5.
no. She's talking the transition of that computer to the laptop. That
Yeah.
Yeah, that is not Loti, dude. That's actually to be done in
No,
React
do we have the
3.5.
files? Do we have the files for it?
Yeah, everything is there.
It's in the
Everything is
folder?
there.
Okay, cool. I love your shirt, by the way, Shauna. That's so cute. Okay, so let's see. What else? So can someone try maybe please logging into GitHub and seeing like what we have? Because who's more like the master? Who's gonna be more in control? Like, okay, so who's like the tire? Like, who's the front and who's the back? Someone's gonna have to play back a little bit. So who's more back than front? So Ashwin, you're probably more, and no pun intended. Are you more like front, Ashwin? Or are you like more back, Sanjay? You're like, you like
I didn't get you, Alex. Like
back
in
end,
what
back
way?
end, front end, back end versus front end. There's gonna have to be a little bit of someone with the back end brain versus the
No
front.
one is doing backend, Alex. We can
I-
learn it.
No,
That's
you have to
it.
learn it. No, I don't think backend's really actually. We're not gonna have the login anymore. So
Yeah, so we will be doing a project based on our college, so we might get a bit knowledge about that. So
well,
it's better.
the best way to do this, guys, is I'm actually gonna use this project to really try to practicing my project management. So we should do this and I think Sean's gonna definitely help me. But we need to do this like in the waterfall. I think we need to do is we need to get like little sections, and then basically that's gonna be the best way to do this. We're gonna have to just accomplish it that way because there's a lot going on here. You know what I mean? Like this is something that needs to be organized, and I feel like once we finish like one part, we knock it out, we're done with it, and that's the end of it. There's no going back to it and trying to fix it and changing it. Once it's done, and it's in stone. Does that make any sense? It's what is that system again? I always love that system. It was called the do you guys know anything about PM, project management, or anything like that?
This is actually waterfall, dude.
That's a waterfall, right? Okay, cool. So do you agree? That's how they usually build most software, is the waterfall. So we start somewhere and then we just, once that part's done, it's done. So right now, the best part, we can't just dive into this without planning first. Okay, what parts we're gonna go for. Just by seeing like what you guys have seen so far, what do you think the best way to tackle this would be to start on the site itself? Because yeah, so Sanjay, you go first. Like, what would you say like the best, how would you go approach this if you were going to, like, let's say tomorrow we started doing the drawing map before we started really, like, where would you say you would start before we,
like first, so if I would start like first I'll try to assemble all the file, what is that, the text, everything, then go with this one.
Yeah.
Is that the animation, the computer, this one.
okay,
Like how is the section? So we do it section by section. Like the first thing is like the welcome to that Madam T, that one. So
Okay.
let's go into the next division, like which we have like animation.
that's the old, but yeah, that's gonna be at the top. So actually the Figma file, do you guys have Figma downloaded on your computers? You might want to get Figma desktop downloaded. And
Yeah, okay, Alex.
you can pull up the file and see it. It's really cool. It's actually, he's so talented, man. He's like so talented. Anyway, so yeah. So yeah, but yeah, we have the Lodi for that. That's a Lodi, right, Sean? Yeah, that's a Lodi. We have that one. We have
Yeah, this is everything is this
And
thing is
everything-
done
it's
by
loaded.
Joe's, dude.
yeah,
See, this is like a single part. This one actually he made it, but we are using this over.
yeah.
just-
And has anyone been able to log into GitHub successfully yet or anything?
I want it, Alex.
Ashwin, what'd you do with your money? Did you spend it all in one day, or what'd you do with it?
It is here. It is here. See that Lottie over there. Where's that?
Yeah, I think the T changed a lot of the text because we're really focusing a lot on animation and 3D. I think we're leaning more being actually towards like a 3D company, more like a 3D studio specializing in 3D websites and stuff. So I think he did change a lot of the text around, right, Shon? So don't pay
Yeah.
attention to the words on there because, like I said, it's been changed a lot of it. So
So yeah, this Lottie animation, right? This should be put over here. It should be changed.
good. That was a
Maybe
good
in
eye.
the
Good
yeah.
catch. Yeah, good catch. That was good.
Yeah, mostly yeah. I think yeah.
Alex, did you
That
get a
one.
verification code? Alex?
Oh, sorry, I'm coming. Yeah, hang on.
Yeah,
Yep.
so I tried logging in. I guess you should get the email.
Oh, okay, cool. You should have the login for that is it's
6
hello
digit.
hello world. It should be the new password.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, it's asking for a 6-digit code. You should be getting
To
it
the
in
Gmail or
email.
my text message. Which number?
Gmail. T
Okay.
dot Madam T. That
Yeah,
Gmail.
you can log into that Gmail, by the way, because you're probably going to be getting a lot of those emails just in case, you know. Okay, here it is. The code's 986136.
136. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in.
Perfect. Is the code there, please? I hope it's there. Because if not, then we're in the wrong GitHub then.
Okay, so
It's not in
Sanjay,
there?
what?
So, sorry, Sean. I'm just. Is it in there? Is it in there, Ashwin?
I'm looking at it.
It should be. It's either empty or not. Okay. Okay. If anything, Punky has it. Okay, Mike. I'm coming. I'll be right back, guys. Fuck, man. Like. Go ahead, Sean. No, go do your thing, Sean. Do your thing.
There's no public repositories, Alex. I think
Okay,
it's different.
so-
No, he put it on private. He's put it on private.
There's no
Oh.
projects. You don't have any projects yet.
Can you share your screen? Can you share your screen, Ashwin, please?
Yeah.
Wait, I'll stop now.
Okay, so that means that Punky will have it then, because that would.
Dude, I think we'll ask Jose about this too, because he told it is over there, and
I know he says a lot of things. So.
This one, right?
yeah.
Oh no,
Check.
there's nothing in there. Okay, so we're in the wrong. We're in the wrong.
There's nothing.
You know what? Okay, I remember this happened last time. This happened. I was on Telegram, and I remember the same thing happened. Remember the chat in Telegram, Sean? If you scroll up to
Yeah.
Punky
Did
said
they find it though?
yeah, they got it figured out. But it was actually he ended up sending the didn't he end up sending the link to like the other guy? Okay, here it is right here. So
Dude, it's not on the public. Is there something like a private thing in GitHub? I'm not sure.
here it is. Okay, it's okay. So Sean, can you go into Telegram chat and look where
Yeah.
and see where I'm showing you? So like scroll up a little bit, and you'll actually someone must have deleted it.
There's nothing.
I'm
Rohit.
seeing Telegram.
You should be seeing in the project, no? So there's nothing in the project.
Can
also.
you?
Sean,
So what am I looking at?
okay, here we go. Wait,
Dot code space.
Dude, I think Joe's were working like some other GitHub, like under Madam T was working.
no,
Isn't it?
no. This is a new repo. Wait. Okay, wait. Okay, what is this? Sean, I'm sending this to you on Telegram. Right? You have Telegram on your desktop,
Yeah.
right, Sean?
Just send it to me. I'll forward it to these
Okay,
guys.
so right here, like I just got this sent to me. Well, if you go to the I'll show you right now. Like, what is that? I don't know what that is. So
Is
like,
it a drive?
I don't know. I'll show you. There's a whole look at the conversation. It's on the if you go into the Mad Empty because there it is.
Ashwin, did you get it? Get the link.
What
Where
is
did you
that?
send it off?
It's on WhatsApp.
It's just
One second.
It's a drive link. Just try access. Oh, we don't have access to this.
No, it says it's been sent.
it's
Okay, but
asking
I
for a
just sent.
request actually.
But that is us though. That's what I'm
Request
saying.
access.
Okay, Sean, so I'm gonna send you right here then. So right here. So Sean, see right. Okay, I'm gonna tag you right now, Sean. Okay. So actually I need to add you guys to this too. So I'm going to add you. Ashwin, you should be in the group. Do you guys have Telegram downloaded?
Yeah, Alex.
Hey, Ashwin, so check this out. So I just sent it to you in Telegram. Sanjay, do you have Telegram, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
just send it to me.
Okay, so Ashwin, so right here. Ashwin, what'd you do with the money? Did you spend it all?
No, Alex, I'm saving.
Good.
Shon, someone must. Which one, da?
I just did that to you. So
Okay, it's
So I've deleted it.
did you see the conversation though? What I'm talking about? Like if you go to the if you look in the conversation in that group that you guys are in right now, scroll up maybe like
Yeah.
just click on the thing. You can be here.
No.
Someone must have deleted it.
Deleted it. What to do now?
okay,
Maybe
Sanjay,
else.
Sanjay, I added you to the group by the way. So you should be added. They figured it out though. I know something got figured out. Like I remember it got figured out somehow because that
Okay,
code,
this drive contains Sora in it.
that code's gonna save you guys a lot of time. You know what I mean?
So
Like,
this is what is there on the drive. It's on Sora. It's not about empty.
no, but okay, but if you scroll up, they finally find access though. I remember. We'll have to figure this out then because okay, you know what? I'm gonna ask Punky, or I need to ask Punky right now. Oh fuck. Okay, this isn't good. So they say it right there in the conversation though, don't they? About like how Punky, did you he said, okay, he said it was the wrong account. He's like, Alex, it's the wrong account, remember?
Oh.
Here he goes, right here. He goes, you have access. Yes, thank you. Great. Okay, yeah, they got it figured out. So here it goes. Look, here shows all that you have access to all repos. So I need to send. So I'm going to look at. It's not Mad Empty official, right? So then it's GitHub, sure, following. Dude, I don't know. I'm gonna have to fuck, dude. Can we just add the credentials I use was in the repo? Here it is. This is it right here. Alex Clayton 7. That's why. Okay, that's why. Okay, so it's under. It's under. Fuck. I think so. It's gonna be us in cursive at Gmail. I don't know, dude. Wait, you ask again. This is what I got when I click on the invite. Okay, so here's the files. Okay, here we go. Assets. Dude, I'm gonna have to figure this out then. I'll get it figured out, I guess, the access to it. And then yeah. So anyway, so what's next? What else do we have?
But everything, where is this thing? This is what we are looking at, right?
Yeah, that is, yeah, where's that? Wait,
I don't know. This is a screenshot. I don't know where this came from.
does it, what's the top? Mad Empty. So then Mad
Hey, this one has it. Me coming soon page. Everything.
Yeah, virtual world is also there.
Virtual world.
So
Yeah.
everything's there,
I think
right?
this is the one.
Yeah, that's
This
it.
is the one.
So
This
then, how do we?
I think it's Alex Clayton 7. It's over here.
It is? Okay, it's Alex Clayton 7? Okay, hang on.
Yep.
I will do that right now. So you guys go to talk about, I'll get that done right now.
Okay.
Alex Clayton 7. So when do you guys want to start? Like what's the
Yeah, how much time would you guys consider completing this one?
well, I don't, that's gonna be hard to figure that. I
No,
don't
just
no, ask him. Yeah,
Just-
answer the question. Yeah, sorry about that.
yeah, just tell me like a rough figure.
give me
I think
give me a day, bro. Like let's see what and all is there to do.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah. So then we can give a rough time.
Yeah, the best way to approach this is obviously going to be to just dive into it. We have to sit down and organize it, you know, to like decide, okay, we're going to actually, now that you guys have this video, now that you guys have all the information, technically, this is when you guys would kind of sit down together and be like, okay, and tell me if you guys need someone else too, or like what you guys need. If you guys need, basically, you guys are going to sit down together now that you guys have seen that you guys have all the information and tools, and you're going to decide how you guys are both going to approach this together. You know what I mean? Like, what's the best way that we do this? And blah, 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 you know?
Yeah.
And then just make sure either through me or Shon just to like update us as much as you can. Actually, I don't want a work journal or anything, but like every night that you guys work, you don't have to do like a huge work journal, but can you just like send me or Shon just like what you guys did for the day? That's it. Just like through like a regular message, like on here, just be like, hey, so I did this. You don't have to, it doesn't have to be like last time, like with the sauna and all that shit. Like, but just like, you know, if you worked for that day, just like, let me know how many hours you worked or Shon, and then just put like send us a message on what,
Screenshot.
No, just like
a
on
screenshot
WhatsApp,
of.
just on WhatsApp and be like, hey, so this is what we did today, just so we can just stay
Okay.
updated, you know what I mean? And then
Yep.
remember, what else am I big on doing when you work?
That's good. That's good.
What else? But what's the other thing I like? Just please try to work proof of work as much as possible. Like just try to video your screen. Try to like, you know, it's me that this is for, but like YouTube videos, it just looks good. It looks better for your guys' career as well. You know what I mean? To know if you guys pull this off, this is gonna look really good for you guys. You know, to pull off something like this is gonna be a really big accomplishment, especially for your guys' first project. It's a really good portfolio start, at least, you know. And if you guys do good on this, I don't see why you guys wouldn't be used for future projects if you guys would be interested too, you know. Which a lot are going to be coming out. Shon, did you see that about that thing he once built? What did he say he wanted built? That company that came to me. What is it? He said he wanted something crazy built. It was a
No, I did not read it.
no, it was a sandbox or something like that. Yeah, I blocked out the names for protection for it. I don't want for these situations right here.
Sandbox land, virtual office, something like that.
Isn't that crazy? That would be a huge project. Can you believe something like that would be like just like intense? And if you guys are experienced, okay, so like Sanjay, is your development more just like just regular front end development, or like are you going to be specialized, kind of like how Ashwin? Would you consider Ashwin? I guess Ashwin's specialized, right? Would he be specialized
He
developer?
knows. I'm actually a front end this one. I do only the front end this. Ashwin
Yeah.
does a bit of 3JS.
Yeah. I'm just saying, just what I've noticed, 3D is really like starting to like come out to the web a lot. And if you learn something like what Ashwin's learning, man, like it's like really a sought after like skill. You know what I mean? Because right now you'll find 3D modelers, but 3D modelers that can make something compatible on the web right now is just like, it's hard. Pretty much putting animation in the web right now is just, it's going to be, I say like in a year from now, it's going to be even bigger than what it is. It's going to be blowing up. So I'm just saying, maybe if you decided like what you for sure want to do yet, you like for sure just want to do front end development, or like what's like, what do you really want to do? Because I know you guys are kind of born into this, right? You guys are really, I heard you guys don't have a choice really. You just kind of have to like, when you're born in Bangalore, you just have to like pick something that in tech. So it's like, what is your like, this is off subject. I'll even pause this. What